Has the struggle gotten too real for you and now you looking in your cabinet and all you see is a pack of ramen noodles? Don't worry about it. Got you. So for roughly $6, I'm going to make you a meal that can upgrade those ramen noodles into beef and broccoli lo mein. Yes, sir. We making real restaurant food on the cheap because the cheap is how we live now. So as always, got you. Let's get it. So with these strips, we're going to cut them in half and double up what we're actually using. Now, as thick as they are, we might cut them into thirds. We just want beef chunks. All right. Now, we're going to take this beef and we're going to put it in a bowl. So we're going to half a teaspoon of soy sauce, regular soy sauce. All right. We're going to go a quarter teaspoon of pepper. You can use white pepper if you don't like, and again, to taste, right? We're going to put in a pinch of sugar just to cut the acidity. And then we're going to go a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. All right. We're going to go with a tablespoon of Shaoxing Wine. And a tablespoon of cooking oil. All right. So now we're going to mix this up. Now, we're not going to add salt because that soy sauce is pretty salty. And again, we're unbigging backs and watching our health. So avoiding the hypertension, the sugar, and the diabetes, and the blood pressure. All right. So now we're going to cover this up and we're going to set it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. All right. While we're waiting, we're going to go ahead and cut up some of our vegetables. So we're going to cut up a little bit of green onion. All right. And this particular grater has it perfect. All right. All right. So we've got some chicken wings because chicken wings go great with Chinese food, right? So we're going to add in a little bit of onion powder. Garlic powder. Some slap your mama. Again, with seasoning, it's got to look seasoned. If it don't look seasoned, it's not seasoned. A little bit of chili powder. A little bit of sazon. Again, this is all to taste. So giving you a measurement on this is going to be a little bit hard, but that's roughly 2 tablespoons of pretty much everything. All right. Some black pepper. And a little bit of salt. Maybe a tablespoon of salt, because again, that slap your mama has salt in it, so we're being a little bit mindful. I'll add about half a teaspoon of oil just so it sticks. And we're going to mix this up really well. Now we're going to use these same seasonings to season our flour, but while we're waiting on our beef to marinate, we're going to give our chicken a chance to marinate too. Let that flavor get up in there, baby. All right, so again, keep moving forward, right? So we're going to go ahead and make our sauce for the beef and broccoli. So we got a half a cup of water. To that, we're going to add half a tablespoon of bouillon cube. We're going to add some soy sauce. I'm going to go 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce. So that would be light soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Yes, there's a difference between dark and light. I didn't believe it myself, so I did the research for you. All right, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. It's a little thick. All right. I'm going to add a healthy pinch of sugar, just to cut some of that salt. And then we're going to add some pepper. That's roughly a quarter tablespoon. All right, now we're going to add about a tablespoon of cornstarch. This is going to thicken it up some. And a tablespoon of Shaoxing Wine, or the wine that you have available to you. All right, let's mix all that up. Make sure that cornstarch gets good and mixed in there, because it does not taste good by itself. All right, so we're still marinating, and we're gonna move forward. So we've got boiling hot water. We're gonna go ahead and take care of our noodles. We're gonna add, I got some egg noodles from the local Asian market. If you haven't been to your local Asian market, you definitely want to give it a shot. They have amazing pricing. And you can get a couple of things that you normally wouldn't get. So these are just basic egg noodles. And at the Asian market, they're pretty cheap. So you put a couple of those in there. I add a little salt just because seasoning is seasoning. We're gonna cover them up. And we'll give them about 4 minutes. Once they're done, we're gonna take them out. We're gonna strain them. We're gonna run them in some cold water to stop them from cooking. And then we're gonna push forward with our broccoli. All right, so we got noodles out. And while we got some good hot water, we're gonna blanch our broccoli. So when you go to a restaurant and you see like, man, their broccoli looks extremely green, this is what they're doing. They're running it in some really hot water really quick. And it's going to bring out that color. And it's only going to need to be in there for a few more minutes. We're going to add a little bit more salt just for a little bit of flavor. And we're going to give this about maybe 2 minutes. And we're going to bring that out. And then we're going to be ready to put this whole thing together. All right, so it's been a few minutes. Our broccoli is extra green. So I'm gonna start taking that out. And yeah, look how green that broccoli is. Something about that hot water really bring it out. So you ever want to impress somebody with some very green broccoli, hit it real quick with a little bit of salt and hot water, and you can't go wrong with it. You can't mess it up. So Get it all out there because we broke, we cheat, or we don't want to be broke. Either way, let's get it. All right. So, bam. That's it. That's it. We ready to put this whole thing together, baby. Ready to go. We'll be right back in a second. Get all this together. We're gonna pull our chicken out, and we're gonna flour it and get it ready to start going in this grease. All right. So we got our chicken going, and our oil is hot. We're gonna throw in this beef. Start getting it seared up. Don't overcrowd your pan again. Take your time. One thing about being cheap, you can't be lazy at the same time. So, all right. Get that in there going. Now the beef, as the beef is done, we're gonna take it out because we're gonna still use the wok. But we're gonna get all the beef done. We're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna put it all together. So we just about finished. Hold on, it's almost over. All right, so here we're at the end. We're gonna put everything together. If you're gonna do this recipe, make sure you got everything ready because this part is gonna go fast. So we got hot oil in our wok, and we're gonna start with that half an onion that we diced up, well, that we shredded. Get that in there. We're gonna go with our green onion. And we're gonna go with our bag of coleslaw because it's just cheaper. All right. Now we're gonna hit that with a little salt and pepper. Now get that starting to toss around in that oil, just so that it loosens up and cooks a little bit. We want our vegetables nice and soft so that they mesh in with the rest of the LoMein. So kind of stir fry them a little bit. We're going to go ahead and add in our ginger. That start cooking too. Make sure we get our vegetables good and coated in the oil. If you need to add a little bit more oil because it looks a little dry, add more oil. Trust me. No one is going to judge you. You're at the house cooking. So who sees you? Tastes good, eats good, right? Bam. All right. A few more minutes. Let that sit and let everything wilt a little bit. Let the onions get soft and translucent. And we can add in our broccoli and our beef and our sauce, and our noodles, and we're almost done. So, all right. So our onions have softened up. We're gonna go back in with our beef. This will be the other 25%. And now is a really good time to go in with our broccoli. Now mix all of that in. And we're going to give this about 1 to 2 minutes. Get it all good and mixed up because we got a big pot here. And then we're going to go in with our noodles and our sauce, and we're going to toss it all together, and then we'll be done. Now, you can definitely do this without broccoli. That is completely up to you. I have a thing for broccoli, and again, anytime we can sneak in some vegetables, for me, it's a good idea. Because again, remember now, we unbigging backs, so let's add more vegetables. Let's go ahead with our noodles. They're mixed in there. And we're gonna go right on top of that with the sauce we made. Let's get all of that. All right. Now, tell you what, one thing, this sure as heck beats ramen noodles. All right. On top of this, I'm gonna add a couple of drops of sesame oil. Be careful with the sesame oil. Sesame oil is extremely strong, so be very careful with the sesame oil. We're just gonna keep stirring this for a few minutes, let it cook down a little bit, and then we're gonna play. All right, I gotta get into this. It's just smelling way too good. Way too good. So, see what we got here. Mm-hmm. I ain't going to Chinese food place no more. I ain't. I can do this at the house. I can do this at the house. You can do this at the house. This right here. I ain't even tried the chick. I ain't even done the chick. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. You know what? That's not level. That's not level. Play the music. Level.